Hello and welcome to this video in which we are going to explain 3 graphic design trends of 2020 that are already starting to characterize this new decade. Let's start with color trends. Over the past few years, we have seen the rise of bold colors like bright yellow, electric blue, and toxic green. But in 2020, the graphic design world is going to feel a lot more reserved, harmonious, and natural. For example, muted color palettes have been slightly desaturated with black, white, or a complementary color. They are basically the opposite of vivid colors. Muted colors work almost flawlessly with neutral colors. Also, with black or white backgrounds, colors blend well instead of introducing a lot of harsh contrast. Additionally, muted background colors make simple text or content a lot easier to read. After years of loud color palettes, these muted colors can be used by brands to signal a move towards the future. For example, the vivid colors previously used by Apple in their marketing and even the new iPhone colors have been replaced by more muted tones. Another example is the brand cannabis in their packaging. Another application is using metallic materials in graphic design. Designers almost use gold because it is synonymous with opulence and glamour. It can be nostalgic with links to the decadence of the 1920s, but it can also make for an elegant accent color offsetting neutral and mute tones. This has established itself as ultra-trendy for branding identity and product design. By rule, this trend requires a minimalist overall design, since the focus falls on the metallic effect itself.
The second trend is isometric illustration. They are three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional flat surface, also known as a plane. A drawing can be isometric if all of its three axes intersect at a 120-degree angle, or if it follows a grid where all horizontal lines are inclined at 30 degrees, like this example of an isometric building. These compositions are simple but detailed, realistic, but at the same time they are not. Lately, we've been seeing them a lot in user interface design. Here's an example from the Aero website design. Also, isometric drawings are being used with motion graphics to turn them into a fully animated and super engaging design that makes it look like an actual 3D. Another popular application of this trend are smaller isometric icons inside larger infographics. This style is an easy way to add a nice visual component to some projects to encourage viewers to stay and read. Using shadows and a different perspective when creating each icon helps to add flow and visual hierarchy to the infographic. Combining bright colors or gradients and futuristic shapes, isometric illustrations are great attention grabbers. They evoke the beauty of a flat design, but with an added depth and dimension that makes each element more visually appealing and easier for the user to understand. The last trend that we're going to talk about is typography craze. 2020 is a time where artistic typography will stand out. Decorated with beautiful flowers, leaves, geometric shapes, and more creative elements, it sure catches all of the attention. This trend combines the 2019 trend of maxi typography.
Another huge trend of typography is using bold. The thicker, the better. Heavy fonts and lettering are the thing now in logos, posters, web design, and even on package design. The letters may even go beyond the composition edges to show only a part of it. And that's everything for this video. Thank you.